So, I finally finished this simple website on my staging site, and it's now ready to be moved to my live site on GoDaddy. It's just a simple blog where I'll be documenting everything I'm interested in: WordPress, Brizy, and other web development topics, along with anything else I learn or work on. To do this, we'll need to install the WPvivid backup plugin on both the staging site and the live website. Let's go to the WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and click Add Plugin. In the search box, type WPvivid, then click Install Now. While it's installing on our live site, let's go ahead and install WPvivid on our staging site as well. WPvivid is a great plugin for site migrations because it makes moving a WordPress website from one server to another quick and easy. Another excellent option is the all-in-one WP migration plugin, which I usually use for larger or more complex websites. Now that WPvivid is installed on both the staging and live sites, let's create a backup of the staging site first. Select Database plus WordPress files, then click Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. You'll see a progress bar at the top that lets you know how the backup is progressing. If you're backing up a large website, this process may take a while. But if it's a small website like mine, the backup should finish in just a few moments. Once the backup is complete, scroll down and you'll see the newly created backup. Click Download, then click Download again to start downloading the backup file. Save it to your Downloads folder or anywhere that's convenient for you, and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, locate the backup file on your computer. The easiest and fastest way to upload it is to simply drag and drop the file into the Upload tab on your live website. Then click Upload to start transferring the backup file and wait for the upload to finish. Again, this may take some time depending on the size of your website. While we wait for the upload to finish, I'll open the staging site so we can compare it with the live site's front end once the migration is complete. And while we're waiting, don't forget to give this video a like. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel as well. Thanks for your support. The upload has finally finished. Now let's open the front end of our live website as well. Next, go back to WPvivid, click Restore, then click Restore again to confirm. Click OK and wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. While we're waiting, let me know where you're watching this video from. Leave a comment below with your city or country. I'd love to see where everyone is tuning in from. Alright, we're now at the final stage of restoring the backup. While it's processing, this is a good time to grab a cup of coffee or tea. It shouldn't take too long, but it's also a great excuse to stand up, stretch, and take a short break after sitting for a while. We'll be right back once the restore is complete. And that's it. The restore is complete. Click on OK to confirm. Now let's refresh the front end of our live site. As you can see, our live website now looks exactly the same as the staging site. The migration was successful. Now let's log into the WordPress admin dashboard and go to the plugins page. Take a moment to check if any plugins are incompatible with your web hosting environment. Sometimes, a plugin that works perfectly on your staging site may not work properly on your live site because the two servers have different hosting configurations. If everything looks good and there are no plugin issues, go back to the front end and test your website. Browse through all of your pages to make sure everything was migrated correctly and is working as expected. And finally, I noticed a message from WP Supercache, so let's check if there's anything we need to fix. It turns out caching is currently disabled, so let's go ahead and enable it. And one last thing. Earlier, I mentioned that some plugins may not be compatible with your live hosting environment. In this case, it's the Redis Object Cache plugin. If we check its status, we can see that it's not enabled. I'm not sure if Redis is supported on this GoDaddy hosting account, so I'll need to check the hosting control panel first to see if Redis can be enabled. For now, let's deactivate and delete it. That's it for this tutorial. If you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support my new channel. It really helps and motivates me to create more WordPress tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.